I finally got a shell into the smart camera. Even though I wasn't able to crack the root hash, I was able to patch the firmware to bypass the login altogether. To do so, I edited the initialization file responsible for launching the console to launch a direct shell instead of a Getty login prompt. Next, I recompressed the root file system back into SquashFS as it was originally in the firmware. Then I used DD to write the modified SquashFS file over the existing one in a copy of the firmware. Next, I hooked up my Flash programmer to the ROM, but instead of reading the firmware, we wrote the modified firmware directly to the ROM. Now we can reconnect our USB to UART adapter, launch a terminal emulator, and after the boot logs, we'll see that instead of a login prompt, we've now got a direct root shell.